It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and I've realised I've not unboxed anything on this channel for, well, it seems like well over a year. So I've got a parcel from the Netherlands from Roy. Thank you very much, Roy. Really appreciate it. Roy sends about this time every year, early year. It comes into the channel, and we enjoy these products from the Netherlands. And apparently there's some cheese in here. Roy watched my beer and cheese episodes, and he really enjoyed them. So he sent me some cheese. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this parcel from the Netherlands then. Let's just do that, shall we? Easier. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Should we start off with the big timber box? Now, I didn't know that these timber boxes have been in the background for ages. One from, pardon me. I've got an old Whitbread box here, Whitbread London. Love these old timber boxes with the beers in. Got another one over there. The Millennium Celebration Ale. But look at this. Look at this. 3 Fonteinen. Cursed Cuvée 2025-2026. Wow. Wow, should we have a look? I love beer. I've had a little break, as some of you will know, in January, just to get on top of things a little bit, just to, it's not necessarily dry January, it's just this time of year is sort of like, I struggle a little bit this time of year, to be perfectly honest with you. I struggle with the darker months of the year. I struggle with, not necessarily the cold, but I like sitting outside drinking. I like going to beer gardens and just all of that sort of stops after Christmas, doesn't it? Or before Christmas as well, with the cold weather. So I'm very much looking forward to spring, and this might be the first beer. I'll have a little think about it. This might be the first beer I drink after my little mini break away from beer. Old Goose Cursed Cuvée 2025. Look at that, 750 milliliter bottle, 7.2% ABV. Should we put it back? I will absolutely treasure that. We got another lovely looking thing too here. I've not had a bottle of this for years. I've not had a bottle of Bourbon County brand stout from Goose Island for over 10 years probably. Aged in Rittenhouse rye whiskey barrels, 2019 version. Whoa. Yeah, look at this. Oh, I love it. I love that embossed bottle. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Look, I got another couple of old. This one's got Pontypridd written on it. Rhondda Valley Brewers Company, but that's what they look like, when you take all the stickers off and everything. You can keep that bottle, couldn't you? Put a light in it. Put one of those little sort of candle, you can buy corks now with lights in. I might put a light in the middle of that when I finish the bottle. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This one is ABV wise, I think it's going to be about 13% ABV, this one, I think. 14.5% ABV, wow. Amazing. Cheese. This is oh, I don't know, because it's been sliced. It's been cut, and there's no name on it. So I'll have to ask Roy what particular cheese the first one is. So Roy, if you're watching, cheese number 1. Tell me a little bit about it. Cheese number 2, again, tell me all about it. What is it? Beautiful. When I go to Amsterdam airport, I walk through Amsterdam airport and you see the meats and you see the cheeses and you see the Heineken thing and the bar. And it's a beautiful airport. I love Amsterdam. I've not been for a couple of years. I must go. I must go back to the airport and check out all these wonderful things in there. Cheeses, meats, beers, wines, and then we have some Zivelho mixed nuts, pistache mix. Look at that, lovely nuts. Brilliant. Oh, we got a little badge, a bottle opener actually. Shell Brewery. We'll stick that on our fridge. I've got a beer fridge now down here. Alesmith Brewing Company, Alesmith Double Red IPA. Not had an Alesmith beer for a long time either. Feels like the old channel, this does. It feels like when I was reviewing beer back in 2013, 2014. The old school channel where I'd be doing all the American stuff and, you know, all the fantastic Gooses, and I need to get back to it, don't I? I think I've lost my way a little bit. I think I have. I've just let the channel lose its way a little bit. I'm the first to admit that. I mean, it's your channel as much as mine. I'm the guy that does the reviews, but I do like the fact that you guys, I mean, look at Roy today. You guys can steer the channel in whatever direction you want, really, can't you? If you know, wanted to contribute to the channel, if you think there's beers out there that you want me to try and whatnot, you can steer the channel in whatever direction you want it to go. Meerstuk from Jopen, a Mexican Imperial Stout 2026 version, 11.11% ABV. I do like a Mexican Stout that's going to be sort of like strong, warming, full-bodied, loads of chili maybe. Brilliant. There's the bottle cap. I do like Jopen. Couple of beer mats. Winter Wonderland Beerish Dunkel, 5.6% ABV, and that is by brewed at Kunsrosen in Mainz. Cologne craft beer, German craft beer. Another Jopen beer. Another Jopen beer. This is the Ongelovig Thomas American Quadruple at 10% ABV. Please help with the pronunciation of this one. Cone Theory West Coast IPA. This is brewed and packaged by Salikatt Brewery, Norway. Salikatt. I may have had one or two of these beers previously. I've definitely heard of the brewery. Floem. Last Sipper. Hazy Triple IPA, 10% ABV. This looks another, maybe Norwegian, maybe from the Netherlands, this one. Floem craft beer. There we go. I believe what a wonderful, wonderful gesture. What a wonderful, wonderful. As I mentioned earlier, and what I mentioned earlier was indeed no pressure, no sort of like arm twisting, nothing like that in terms of like sending me beer to review or snacks or whatever, you know. It's just a way of saying that you guys, if you wanted to, I know we're in this whole cost of living thing still, this managed decline. It's wonderful that people can still send to the channel, and I appreciate sort of anything that comes our way on the channel. Roy, this has been wonderful. I'm so excited by these products. I'm so excited. We got 3 different food products. I can put them together with the beers. Yeah, it's pretty fantastic. Thank you very much for sending. I really appreciate it. Please comment, please subscribe, give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom, cheers.